Babies. Yeah, I'm filming.
Those ones are super hyper. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy.
You're so calm. You're the calm one.
Are you alive?
Look at me, my poopy. She's so calm.
Was it the poopy one?
No, this one didn't poop and then eat it. This one was a good girl. I think it's a girl. I wonder if the pink means it's a girl. You're so cute.
These guys want poopies.
Yeah, they want poopies and then ate it. I want this one right here. I think she's so nice.
What are you doing?
This one is so good. It's like really cool. I wonder if this is a girl. Yeah, I think. It's really good. I want you. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl.
How do I stop it?
You just push that again.
Fight it. Fight it.
So cute. She's so good. You're so good girl. You're so good girl.
Which one's cute? This one?
This one.
Oh my gosh. Fight. Fight. Fight.
I'm so glad you took.
There. No, we just wanted to look at the puppy.
Yeah, we actually can't have puppies. I can't have a puppy anyway.
I'll eventually get one, so I'll come back. I'll come back when I want a dog. Trust me. There, now it's recording. Your turn to record.
Okay.
Just
It's
hold it.
working
It's
right now?
working. Just go like this.
Look at the cute little puppies.
I like it. That's so cute. I love the girl. That's really sweet.
Look at the puppy.
It says I'm so cute.
Oh,
I hope that's the one that wasn't eating poop.
that was eating.
I definitely got licked by that.
I really want like a 12-inch beagle.
This one will lick your face.
That one will like after it eats poop and then lick your face.